I went 3 years without ever having canceled a single sortie due to any mechanical function on the Robinson. Our aircraft fly day after day, 6 days a week, 6 times a day. It's an incredibly reliable platform, incredibly efficient to operate, easy to maintain. The Army is going to find that the R-66 is just a dream.
The Robinson R-66 being made in America makes it an ideal and affordable platform for the United States Army.
If you're relying on some other subcontractor to make the part and they have a labor problem or a material problem, then that problem translates down to you.
If there's one hiccup, the helicopter's grounded.
But with Robinson, they're manufacturing within 60 miles of their headquarters here in Torrance.
The Robinson factory is truly what supply chain resiliency looks like.
They cut out their own products. They machine their own products. They rebuild their own products. They assemble their own products.
A piece of raw steel can come in, they can make a bunch of parts out of that material, and Robinson knows where every part that was made out of that piece of material went and which aircraft has it and where it's located in the world.
Student pilots don't do the maneuver correctly the first time and then every time after that. So the helicopter certainly has to be durable.
This is the biggest challenge that military training units have. When a pilot has to break training because aircraft aren't available, they just become a far less capable pilot.
The Rolls-Royce 300 and the R-66, it's a very reliable engine.
Nothing ever wears out. When we bring the helicopter in for overhaul, when they disassemble it, the comment from the technicians is, this could have gone another 2,000 hours.
I don't think there's another helicopter manufacturer that produces the same quality for the cost.
Product support, parts supply are second to none.
And I think what the Army will find is that the initial acquisition cost, the ongoing maintenance cost, the hourly costs, they're never going to see a platform that touches the Robinson.
The R-66 helicopter, with its Made in America attributes, make it an aircraft that the U.S. Army can rely on for decades.
A more reliable aircraft builds a better pilot. A better pilot builds a better warrior, and a better warrior can defend this nation against any threat that it faces.